Hey guys, today we're here unboxing the Wolf Cinema TXF-1100. It is Wolf's new laser projector, 4K, 3000 lumens. So here we go. Okay, so now we're down to the third box. There was a box on the outside, now we're down to the third box on the inside. So it's packaged very well. Okay, so on the top we have a remote and your power cord. And then it also has a manual with USB. So if you want to look at the manual, it's on a USB drive. The Wolf's packaged in a nice fabric package. This way. Oh, this thing weighs 38 pounds, so it's pretty heavy. So these projectors are built really well, super heavy. A lot going on the inside. You ready?
Oh, I'm ready.
So here she is. As you can see, this entire cabinet is metal. On the front here, you have your lens with a lens cover, and then on the top, you have your zoom adjustment. Then I'll flip it around. Here's the back side. Unscrew these, pull the back side off. Okay, so as you can see on the back side here, we have power all the way to the left side, RJ45, RS232. So we have HDMI 1, HDMI 2. The HDMI 2 is HDCP 2.2. We also have VGA, audio in and out. There's a USB for service port. And then we also have a fiber optic output. Another cool feature of this projector is that, as you can see with this cover on, it would be tough to have wiring. So what they've done, this is actually the bottom. Then on the top, you have these slots so that you can make the wiring nice and neat coming out the top. Put the cover back on so it's nice and neat. So the biggest difference with the Wolf projector is the fit and finish, the quality. Obviously the whole outside is metal. It's built like a tank, and then they're gonna go in and do all their tweaks to it. This specific projector is a laser projector, so it does not have a bulb, which is great. You don't have to change that out every couple thousand hours. This model is also 4K, so it's the latest, greatest in resolution. And they're a smaller company that puts a lot of time and research into their products to make sure that they're the best on the market. The big thing with Wolf also is that their lumen levels are higher than their competitors. A lot of home theater projectors are anywhere from 1200 to 1800 lumens. This Wolf projector is 3000 lumens. They also have other models that go up to 5000 lumens. So you can kind of go with middle of the road projector all the way to super high end with Wolf. Thank you for watching our video on the Wolf projector. Stay tuned in the coming weeks for the installation. This is Bill with Millennium Sounds. Please like us on Facebook and YouTube.